see how fast you can run, you know, count how many steps it's going to take you to get to the front gate, those sorts of things. It's always a good idea also to introduce number books. There's a book I really loved called 10 in the Bed. They can see that progression and the counting backwards of things. The other thing that I like is 10 green bottles, again, another subtraction one. The other thing that older children might be interested in is the history of mathematics. One of the favorite things is, can we play a game?
Game, oh yeah, game is a big one.
The thing about playing games like that is it changes the way their brain thinks. So they start to develop a logical strategy to be able to win the game, or to beat their parents, or to beat their brothers or sisters, or whomever it is they're playing with. I mean, if you look at a forensic scientist, a data scientist, anybody who uses patterns, because what they're doing is they're looking at the data that they've got. They're focusing on the information that they have, and they're looking for patterns that they can hang on to something else so that they can answer questions about what it is that they're trying to find out. So I think to be able to make those connections for kids it moves from that concrete to the abstract. If you say, oh, I can afford the repayments, that's one thing, but would you rather $20,000 in your bank at the end of that time, or would you rather it in the banks? So it's probably worthwhile making sure that the estimation is correct, then moving on to doing the actual calculation.
That's true. And all we want for younger kids is just to get their head around it, have some sort of insight, some sort of estimation. One
of them is If the World Were a Village, and it talks about comparative size and statistics. Absolutely brilliant for the older kids, and you can do a whole assessment task or assignment around that. And then the other one is What's Your Angle, Pythagoras?